In this video, we will show you how to book an appointment with a Recipient Solutions Manager on behalf of your patients. After their activation appointment with you, patients are ready for onboarding with their new sound processor. We encourage you to make the appointment for the patient at this time. Your regionally based Cochlear Recipient Solutions Managers are available to help educate patients on how to use accessories and self-service resources to accomplish their hearing goals through a variety of virtual group sessions and individual appointments. Examples of session types include device basics, care and maintenance, connectivity, and rehabilitation resources. The RSM team aims to increase patient satisfaction and confidence and give more time back to clinicians. To schedule an appointment for your patient, please use your region-specific link. If you need your link, your Cochlear Representative is happy to share it with you. Fill out the required fields, which takes about 2 to 3 minutes to complete. Your patient will receive a confirmation email with booking details. If your patient is joining from a computer, they will be able to click the meeting link, select Continue in their browser, and enter their name. Joining from a computer is usually the easiest way to join. If they plan to join from a phone, iPad, or tablet, they will need to download Microsoft Teams prior to the meeting time. When a patient provides consent, a clinic patient report will be sent to you after the appointment to facilitate transparency and cross-alignment of care. We look forward to partnering with you and empowering recipients to take control of their hearing journey.